Guys, this is Shubham Dev. Today I will explain the different type of operator that we use in the C programming language. Okay, so let's just start. So I have a table that explain the operators that we use in C programming. Okay, these are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, increment and decrement operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, comma operators, and conditional operators. Okay, so here is the list, and you can see that the example of arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, percentage. This symbol is usual for calculating the remainder. Okay, and after that, relational operators like greater than, less than, double equal to, and greater than equal to, less than equal to, and does not equal to. Okay, so this is the example of relational operator, and today I will explain these both operators with the program. Okay, so let's start. So first I will explain the relational operators. Okay, so the definition of relational operator is those operator which compare two values and provide the result in the form of true or false. These are called relational operators, and here is a list of example of uh, relational operators like greater than, equal to, greater than, like this. Okay, so here you can see that I have a two integer variable a and b. Okay, after that I'm just scanning the value for a and b during the runtime, means dynamic initialization. Okay, so first I will run this program, then I will explain you. Okay, so here you can see that it asking for two values, entirely two values for a and b. Okay, so I'm just 8 and 5. Okay, so here you can see that a is greater than b and a is greater than or equal to b. Okay, it's a condition is right, first condition is right. It Here you can see that a is greater than or equal to 8 b. Okay, means a is greater than. Okay, so this condition is becoming true, and a is not equal to b. Okay, this condition is also becoming true because a is not equal to 5. 8 is not equal to 5. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you what is the happening behind in this program. Okay, this is the symbol for here I'm scanning the value a for a and b and providing those value at the address of a and b. Okay, here after that, this is the control statement. If this statement is known as a control statement. Okay, so if a is greater than b, then it will mean that a is greater than b, and the cursor or controller will come on next line because I'm using slash backslash n here. And after that, if a is greater than equal to b, then print a is greater than or equal to b. After that, the controller will go to the next line. Okay, so similarly you can see that if a is less than equal to b, then it will execute this statement, and if a is equal to b, then this will execute this statement, and if a does not equal to b, then it will execute this statement. Okay, and you I want to tell you a important thing, which is if we use control statement like if and while and this type, so it execute one statement after that point at which we are use these controllers. Suppose I mean these control statement, like suppose here I'm using I'm asking a is equal to b, so it will execute one statement defaultly if we do not use the blocks. Okay, like this. Okay, so we have to use the block if we want to execute more than one statement in a control statement. Okay, so I am using only one, so that's why there is no need to be used for blocks. Okay, curly braces in the other word. So it was the concept of relational operators. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you what is arithmetic operators. So So here you can see that I have a lot. I have three variable integer type, which is a b c, and three variable of float type, which is x y z, and y z has a value 7 and 5 respectively. And abc, I'm just performing initialization, I mean dynamic initialization for the variable abc. Okay, here you can see that enter any two values for operation. So after that I will provide this value. Okay, first I will now run this program, then I will explain. Okay, so here you can see that here is a statement enter any two values for operation. Suppose I'm provided 5 and 3. Okay, so here you can see that the addition of values are 8, the subtraction of values are 2, and the multiplication of values are 15, and the division of values are 1.4 something. Okay, and the remainder is 2. So that's mean our program is correct, and it is run because it's run successfully. Okay, so I provided the value 5 and 3. So here you can see that 5 plus 3 will be 8. So addition of values is, here I'm calculating addition of variable a and b. So after that the result will be contained in variable c, and then it will print c. Okay, which is 8. After that a minus b means 5 minus 3 will be 2. Okay, after that I'm printing 2. This is also the format of printing the values. First you write some, you can write something whatever you want, and after that use the format string like %d %c according to the variable requirement. And then I'm calculating the multiplication of variable a and b. Okay, similarly then y and z. Okay, after that lastly I'm calculating the remainder of variable a and b. Okay, so this was the concept, and this is a too simple program, and I don't think so you will have any problem to understand this. If still you have any problem, so please put on my channel, I will respond them as soon as possible. And thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget for subscribe. Okay, bye.